Yeah, Ulul. So today I'm going to telling you a short story about my unforgettable experience. So when I was quite young, I play with my childhood friend, and usually like in the river, in the Luang, and on another
ลุงถ้าบอกลุงอินวิดอัสซาลามุอะลัยถ้าบอกลุงอินวิดบากีorang keep going ถ้าบอกลุงอินวิดบากี orang keep going
and another place like that. So one day when I go to the river in my neighbor village, I'm try and learn to swim because I can't swim. And when I try to swim, not jump. It's still in the side of the
not
river.
jump just hop
It's still the side of the river. I try to swim carefully because I can't swim.
yes
And suddenly the flow of the river becomes heavy, and then I with my friends a bit shocked with that flow. So I'm trying to get to the ground. So with that, I don't know the flow of the water. The flow of water, it's as far it became more heavy. So I bring on to flow, and finally I be drowned in the river because I can't swim. I just pasrah, relax.
relax I know how no say pasrah
I just relax when I was
pasrah
nothing.
do nothing
And I don't know the flow of the water when I was in the river bring me to the side of the water. I don't know why. Therefore, I was thinking when I was drowned, it's this end of my life, and I almost died. And when I get to the ground back, I'm trying to help my friends. My friend's still in the river. He hung on the tree that's stuck in the river. I'm trying to walk up and try to find a rope, and I do not find nothing. But I walk more far, and I find a man who was riding with his motorcycle, and I called that. Bang, Bang, help us, help my friends in danger. Oh, that man showed why. She asked me, my friend, he's actually, why he asked me? My friend in danger, he in the river almost drowned, and with quickly that meant jump into the river and help my friends. Otherwise, one of my friends, he is survived for his himself, and but pathetic. So finally we three cancel fund.
Happy ending, right?
Happy ending.
Film sad ending kan? Kan sedih lu.
Happy
Happy ending.
Hangus dah.
Film India.
Any question?